Dear students, today we'll study now the exercise 1.3. Okay, I will tell you the examples of exercise 1.3. Okay, now we'll start. First example, find the sum of the following APs. Find the sum of the following APs. I will tell you one example. Remaining examples you try to solve. Okay. See now here. What is that first example? Here they given 2, 7, 12, dash, dash, dash to 10 terms. Okay, 10 terms. 10 terms they given. Ali terms very important. So here like this, if they given then 2, 7, 12, dash, 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 10 if they given, you supposed to think that this is an. But here not like that. Okay. Here they given 10 terms. Padagalu. Means here we have to think 10 terms. Means here n is equal to 10 you have to write. Okay. So we will see now. A is equal to 2. Solution. Given A is equal to 2, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 2, that is 5. Then n is equal to 10. Okay. We have to find out what? Sum. Motta. Sum we have to find out. We know already the formula here. What is that formula? Sn. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of Sn. In this, we have to fill the values carefully and we have to solve. We will get the answer. Okay. Now next, see, we know that here they written what? The formula. Then S10. See, n andre 10. S10 is equal to, again here 10 divided by 2. Then 2a. 2a means 2 into 2 plus hengide hanga beriri. Next n is 10 again. Sorry, n is 10 minus 1 into d is 5. Like this we have to fill. Then next we have to solve. What is here? 10 divided by 5. Sorry, 10 divided by 2. What is it? 5. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Here they written 5. See, again 2 into 2. What is that? 4. Then plus 10 minus 1, that is 9. This into 5, write as it is. Okay. See now next. See here 5 write as it is. 4 you write as it is into bracket. Plus as it is 9 into 5, how much? 45. Then you add here 45 and 4. Then you will get 5 into 49. You will get, after multiplying these two, you will get some answer. Okay. We will see here now. 245. What we got here answer then? 245. This is our first example. Okay. Then next you try to solve. I hope you will solve. See, next example is same. Again, third example. See, that also same. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೆನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್. This is in the fraction. I will tell you this one now. See, 1 divided by 15, 1 divided by 12, 1 divided by 10, dash 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 to 11 terms. Okay. Here now, see, A is equal to 1 divided by 15. D is equal to, see, A is equal to 1 divided by 15. Then D is equal to 1 divided by 12 minus 1 divided by 15. Okay. See, A2 minus A1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See here then LCM. Both LCM 12 and 15 LCM you find out. What is that? 60 here. Wait. 60. Then 12 5 50. Sorry, 60. 15 yesterday 60 4. Okay. Then see here, this you both multiply. This both you multiply. 5 minus this 4 into 1 4. This is 1 divided by 60. What is D then? 1 divided by 60. Okay, next see here, given A is equal to 1 divided by 15, N is equal to 11 and D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is, we found here now, what is we got that? 1 divided by 60. Next, now we have to write the formula. You have to write the formula carefully and you have to fill all the values very carefully. Okay. See here. Then next you solve 11 divided by 2 into bracket 2 divided by 15. Multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. 11 minus 1 that is 10 into 1 divided by 60. Here what we got here, 10 divided by 60. Okay. See now next, 11 divided by 2. Here we have to add again. What we have to add? 2 divided by 15 plus 10 divided by 60. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ತಾ ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು. So 2 divided by 15 plus 1 divided by 6. ಇದರದ್ದು LCM ತೆಗೆದು ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 9 divided by 30. Okay. See here, next 11 divided by 2 into 9 divided by 30. You multiply here, we will get 99 divided by 60. Here also you can cancel 99 divided by 60. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. We will get the answer as 33 divided by 20. What is the answer? 33 divided by 20. Okay. We will discuss few more examples. Next example, see here, find the sums given below. Find the sums given below. In this first one example, see, 7 plus 10 and 1 by 2 plus 14 dash 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 plus 84. Okay. See here then, what we have to find out? A is equal to, we have to write, and here they given 84 means last term is 84. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಮೊದಲೇ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 84 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ nth term. We think that this is nth term they given. So nth term is L. Okay. So an is equal to L. Then next see solution. Given a is equal to 7, last term L is equal to An is equal to 84. Then D, see here D, A2 minus A1, 10 and 1 by 2 minus 7. Find here 10, what they found here, see 10 and 1 by 2 minus 7. Okay, I will find out here. See 2 tens are ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, these two we have to multiply and after that we have to add 1. 10 into 2, 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 2 minus 7. Here nodri illide, here they given. Then is equal to LCM is 2. Here ಏನilla andre 1 irutte. So 2 into 1, 1 into 2. Sorry, here's wait. Then 21 into 1, 21 minus 7 into 2, 14 is equal to 7 divided by 2. This is D value. Next, now An is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. Then what they given? Last term 84. Fill the values carefully. 84 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into D they given 7 divided by 2. Then 7 you take that side, it will become minus. Here this 7 this side. 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into bracket 7 divided by 2. Then 77 is equal to n minus 1 into bracket 7 divided by 2. Then 7 divided by 2 you take that side, it will become 2 divided by 7. Okay, here nodi illi 2 divided by 7 agutte illi. See 77, wait, 7 into 2 divided by 7 is equal to n minus 1. 7 ones are 7, 11s are 11 into 2, 22 is equal to n minus 1. Okay, you see n is equal to 23. Next here see furthermore step here. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, then it is n 23 divided by 2. What is a? Then what is a? 7. Fill. Next plus what is n? 23 minus 1. What is d then? 7 divided by 2. Okay. Next. See now 23 divided by 2. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಡ್ತಾ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಮೊದಲ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 7 into 2 14 plus 22 into 7 divided by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 ones are 1s are. So this is 23 divided by 2 into bracket 14 plus 11 into 7, 77. The answer will be 23 divided by 2 into 91 is equal to you will get 2093 divided by 2 is equal to 1046 and 1 divided by 2. This is the answer. Okay. This is second one example. See here what they given. 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dash 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 plus 10. Okay. Then see here solution. Given a is equal to 34. An is L. An is this one, last term. Okay. See, An is L is equal to 10. Then D we have to find out 32 minus 34, that is minus 2. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಕಳೀರಿ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಯಾವ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಇದೆ ಆ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? -2 you get D as -2. Next, now An is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. This one formula you write and fill all the values here. An is L. So An, in the place An you write 10, in place of A 34 plus n minus 1 into in place of D -2. Okay. Then 10 minus 34, you take numbers one side. 10 minus 34 is equal to into bracket 10 minus 1 into bracket -2. 10 minus 34, what we get the answer here? See, -24. -24 is equal to this side you write as it is. Okay. Then next, -24 divided by, you take this to this side, it will become divided by. Okay. Then -24 divided by -2. See here, -24 divided by -2. 2 1s are 2, 1s are 2, 2s are. Minus minus got cancels. Then answer is 12. Okay. Plus 12 is equal to this side n minus 1. Okay. Then see here, you take 12 is equal to n minus 1 is there. 12, you take this plus minus 1 this side, it will become plus 1. You write n as it is, that is 13 is equal to n. Okay. Then see here, n is equal to 13. They asked find the sum. Then see, in last example I used the formula of Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This formula. Here we can use another one formula also, easy formula. What they given? L. So Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket a plus L. This is very easy one. If we used this formula, then we can solve the example easily. Okay. You use here this formula. Okay. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ now Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket a plus L. Then S13 is equal to 13 divided by 2 into bracket 34 plus 10. See this one. Now next step, 13 divided by 2, here 34 plus 10, 44. Okay, see here. Then next 13 into 22. Heng battempa. 13 divided by 2 into 44 idda hage idu eegiruttade. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2s are. So the answer is 13 into 22. You have to multiply these two, you will get the last answer. Okay. See, 286 is our last answer. Like this way you try to solve all the next examples. Okay. See, solution. Same way we have to solve. First we have to use an formula. We have to find out n. Then after Sn formula we have to find out Sn. Now third one, main example, third one. In an AP, in this first one, see, given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50, find N and Sn. Okay, this is one different type. I will tell you this question now. So, solution given. What they given? You have to write. ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ we have to use an formula. An is equal to a plus into bracket n minus 1 into d. Fill all the values correctly. 50 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. Solve. 50 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Okay. 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Okay. So 45 divided by 3 is equal to n minus 1. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 5s are. So see here next. 15 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 16. How? 15 plus 1, you take minus 1 this side, it will become plus 1 here. So n is equal to 16 is our last answer. Next they asked Sn. We have to find out Sn now. We know that Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket a plus l. See, S16 is equal to 16 divided by 2 into bracket 5 plus 50. 8 into 55, that is 440. What is our answer then? 440. Answer is 440. Okay. Now see next example. Given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, find A and A9. See now, D is equal to 5 they given. What they given we have to write. Here Sn is equal to S9. So n is equal to 9. Here what they given? 75. In the place of S9 we have to fill 75. Okay. We know that. Write the formula. Fill the values. Solve this carefully. Okay. Then next. Here 9 minus 1. What is that? 8 into 5. 40. Okay. 2a, 9 divided by 2, you write as it is. Now next here 2a plus 40. From this we take 2 outside, a plus 20 remained. 40 you split in terms of 2 factors and 20. So here if we taken 2 outside, here remained 20 in the box. Okay, like this. Then next, here we will cancel this one. Okay, see now how to write this one means here 75 is equal to 9 into bracket a plus 20. Okay, this is 75. Then 2 got cancels, ಎರಡು cancel ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? 2 cancel ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So we will solve this bracket. 9a plus 9 to the 18, 180, like this. Then here you keep 9a this side and 180 minus 105, okay, is equal to 9a. Then you take now 9 that side minus 105 divided by 9, okay. 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Then a is equal to minus 35 divided by 3, okay. Here this step we will cancel. So next step you write this one. Next, see, answer we will get as a is equal to minus 35 divided by 3. See, all these steps you cancel. What I written that you write, okay. Then next, an is equal to, then a9 we have to find out. A is given, d we got, a we found here, and what is that, d they given. You write here, fill all the values carefully and solve very carefully, okay. Then see now what we got here. Then what we got, see, minus 35 divided by 3 plus 40, like this. Then 3 is LCM, 1 3s are 3 1s are, okay. Minus 35 plus 120 we got. Then 120 ದಲ್ಲಿ 35 minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, you will get 85 answer divided by 3, okay. This is our answer. 85 divided by 3 is our answer, okay. Next main question, how many terms of the AP 9 17 25 dash 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 must be taken to give a sum of 636? You already solved these type of questions in nth term of AP. There also they given to find n. Here also they asked to find out the number of terms, that is n, okay. Then what they given, we have to write solution. D is equal to, here a2 minus a1, here a2 minus a1, what we got, 17 minus 9, that is 8. Next, Sn formula, a they given, what is a, then a is equal to 9, okay. D also we got 8. Then Sn formula you write, fill all the values. 636 Sn is equal to n divided by 2. Here some mistakes are here, you correct it, n divided by 2. So n you write as it is because we have to find out that one, okay. Then see, n divided by 2 write as it is, 9 into 2 2a 18 plus n minus 1, 8 we not supposed to write. N they asked means n you have to write as it is, n minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ n minus 1 ಬರಬೇಕು, n minus 1 into 8, okay. Then next, here 636 is equal to n into bracket 9 plus 4n minus 4, okay. See how you got this one. So see here, n divided by 2 I will take outside from this, 9 plus 4n minus 4 remained, okay. 2 cancel, so n only they written, 9 plus 4n minus 4 they written. Okay, then next see 636 into bracket 4n 9 minus 4, that is 5 here. 9 and 4 are numbers, so you can subtract or you can add. Here we have to subtract, so 4n plus 5. Then next 4n plus 5n minus 636. Here 4n plus 5n, 4n square, you will get 4n square. You solve this one, bracket 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. You studied in your 9th standard about quadratic equations. This is quadratic equation and we have to solve this quadratic equation by splitting. So then here you see last term, you see 636. We have to find out two numbers whose multiplication is 636, and if we subtract one in another, we have to get 5. See what is you think, what how do you think, how to find out n value? We have to find out two numbers whose multiplication is 636. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 636 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಕಳೆದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು 2 ಅಂಕಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ದೆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್? ಸಿ 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636. See here 53 and 48. Okay, these are the two numbers. If we multiply these two, you will get 636. If we subtract in one another 53 minus 48, you will get what? 5n. See then how to do this now? See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ equation ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Minus you have to keep plus sign to biggest number, minus sign to the smallest number. ನಡುವಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಯಾವ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಇದೆ ಆ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಳಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. n you take outside, 4n plus 53 remained, minus 12 you take outside, here 4n plus 53 remained. ಎರಡು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ 4n plus 53 in one bracket and n minus 12 in another one bracket. Okay, then next 4n plus 53 is equal to 0 or n minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, then n is equal to minus 53 divided by 4 or n is equal to 12. See then n ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ n ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ n ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಅದು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನೀವು 4n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 15th question. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, the penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? Okay, then see here I solved. You can see the given penalties are in the form of AP. See then here A is equal to 200, D is equal to 50. Penalty that has to be paid if contractor has delayed the work by 30 days is S30. Okay, remember this one, S30. Therefore fill all the values, write the formula here. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus into bracket n minus 1 into d. Okay, next n is 30 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1 into 50. Okay, the next 30 divided by 2 is 15 into bracket 200 into 2 400 plus 30 minus 1, that is how much? 29 into 50, that is 1450. Okay, then next you add 1450 plus 400, that is 1850 into 15 you have to do here. We will get the answer 27,750 rupees. Okay, therefore the contractor has to pay rupees 27,750 as a penalty. Okay, in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12th. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? See solution. See, let the AP be 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 3 dash 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 up to 12 into 3. That is 3, 6, 9 dash 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 up to 36. A is first term, that is 3, and D is common difference. What is that? 6 minus 3. Okay, see then AN is equal to 36 they given. Then N is equal to 12 and Sn we have to find out here. Then we know the formula here. See, what is that formula? Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket a plus an. A plus an means a plus l, you know, l means an. Okay, then next see, fill all the values here. S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2 into bracket 3 plus 36. Okay, 3 plus 36. Next see, cancel here. Sn is equal to 2 1s are 2 6 are 12. You cancel here and you add 3 plus 36. Then next Sn is equal to 234. We got here Sn is equal to 234. See, 3 plus 36 you have to do here. What is that answer? 39. 39 into 6 you have to do here. What we get the answer? 234. Okay, then this is our required answer. Next question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B, starting with center at A of radii 0.5 centimeter, 1.0 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, dash 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 as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? See what they asked. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಮಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2 ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುವಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಚ್ ಸ್ಪೈರಲ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ 13 ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಸೆಮಿಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್. 13 ಸೆಮಿಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ದು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್? ಸಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಲೆಟ್ L1, L2, L3, L4 dash 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 L13, okay, be the lengths of semicircles of radii 0.5, 1, 2 dash dash dash. Okay, then last is, what is that? 13 divided by 2 centimeter respectively. Then we have L1 is equal to pi into 0.5, that is pi divided by 2 centimeter. Okay, then L2 pi into 1, that is 2 into pi divided by 2. Then L3 like this, so on. L4 dash dash dash. L13 up to L13, pi into 13 divided by 2, that is 13 pi divided by 2. Therefore, total length of the spiral, what is that? See now, L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus dash 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 up to L13. Then pi divided by 2 plus 2 into pi divided by 2 plus 3 into pi divided by 2 plus 4 into pi divided by 2 plus dash 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 up to plus 13 into pi divided by 2 centimeter. Okay, pi divided by 2 into bracket, what we got? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dash 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 up to 13. Then here pi divided by 2 into 13 divided by 2 into, what is that? 1 plus 13 centimeter. Okay, then we got 1 divided by 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 13 divided by 2 into 14. Next, at last we will get the answer 143 centimeter. Okay, this is about 18th question.